Here you go, dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
Be careful, it's hot.
I will.
The rain makes the flowers so fresh.
Yeah, and the puddles are fun.
They certainly are. These are growing so well.
Can I pick one?
Of course, dear.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let's get these ready for the soup.
Okay, Grandma, they look so fresh.
Perfect. Now for the herbs.
Grandma, this story is great.
I'm glad, dear. Bread will be ready soon.